Hola mi gente, mis amores, ¿cómo están? Espero que estén bien. Hey everybody, I hope that everybody's doing well. In today's video, I am going to give you guys 5 English phrases that I use on a daily basis, that I use almost every day. So let's get started. Hit me up. Hit me up. Hit me up. It means call me or text me. Hey Linda, are we going out tonight? Girl, yeah, of course. All right, just hit me up. Hey Linda, are we going out tonight? Girl, yeah, of course. All right, just hit me up. That hit the spot. That hit the spot. That hit the spot. This means exactly what I needed. Hey, Johnny, pass me that bottle of water over there, please. Here. Whoosh. Boy, that hit the spot. Hey, Johnny, pass me that bottle of water over there, please. Here. Whew. Boy, that hit the spot. I feel you. I feel you. I feel you. Which means I understand. Listen, she don't know who she just disrespected because I am not the one. Don't play with me. Dang, I feel you. Listen, she don't know who she just disrespected because I am not the one. Don't play with me. Dang, I feel you. So far, so good. So far, so good. So far, so good. Which means things are going well so far. Sherry, how's work? Oh, so far, so good. Sherry, how's work? So far, so good. Your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine, which means I have no idea. Alex, babe, where the heck did I put my shirt? Your guess is as good as mine. Alex, babe, where the heck did I put my shirt? Your guess is as good as mine. Voy a traducir las frases para aquellos que necesitan ayuda. Hit me up significa llámame. That hit the spot significa eso es lo que necesitaba. I feel you, te entiendo o entiendo. So far, so good. Hasta ahora, todo bien. Your guess is as good as mine. No tengo ni idea. Ok, mi gente, mis amores, eso es todo. Espero que hayan aprendido algo nuevo. Si les gustó este video, por favor, dale un like, suscríbanse, déjame un comentario y nos vemos en mi próximo video. Chao, chao.